Welcome back to the channel, my friends. Today we're looking at a tailgate, the upper hatch from L322. This being from an older, I believe it was an 04, 05 L322. And I have an 07 here that I'd be replacing the upper hatch since I have some damage, some dents on it. Now you might have to replace one. They do tend to rust up here. But in today's video, we're going to talk about this weather strip they have on the edge of it. Most of these, you'll see this strip will start to deteriorate and they just kind of start to look hideous. This one, you can see the rubbers cracking off of it, and the other replacement that I have, it's pretty much same thing. All the rubber's gone off of it, so you can see the metal underneath. Now, even Land Rover on the later models, being 2010, after that, they even did not install these on them anymore. They did away with them. They're really not necessary. It was mostly all cosmetic reasons they put these on. Underneath, the glass is glued to the frame of the hatch itself. So there's no water or anything that can get inside of them. So these you can remove. If you look at the edge of that strip here, you can see it's kind of a U-channeled around the glass here. It's kind of a spring clipped, it's thin metal, and it's lined with rubber. And again, the rubber deteriorates and then they kind of look ugly. So you can remove them. We're going to try to take a pry tool on this and pull it back from underneath of the glass and see if we can rip the whole strip off. Now this one, again, I'll be changing this hatch anyways. It'll just be kind of a practice run before I do the actual hatch that'll be going on the truck. So just by taking this pick tool, I was able to insert it here right under the glass, and by prying on it, you can see how it starts to separate from under the glass. Now we can actually take pliers or something to hang onto this edge and see if we can rip the whole thing off of there. So just by pulling it out like that, it will come out. Leaves a little gap here, but once you clean it up, it'll look fine. Like I said, the 2010 and the newer models were just like this. They did away with putting these on. Let's clean this up and see how it looks without the weather strip. And it looks fine. So if that's something that's deteriorating on your truck, you can just take it off. Same thing on the replacement hatch here I have, guys. I was able to pick one edge out just by forcing it out from underneath of the glass. And once you have that one edge out, you're able to just grab it and just kind of peel the whole thing up and away from the glass. And that will release just like so. Once that's out, you can clean that edge up. There's no need for that in there. So next we'll be getting this hatch onto the truck. Thank you for watching.